Welcome, players. The Matrix is just a child's toy. Its name is kinetic sand, and it wants to kill you. Slow down the rapid aging. Delay illness, if only for a while. Do not let the sand slip too quickly through your palms and fingers. You have known this for a long time. You have heard this before. You just forgot. Perhaps today is the day you will be ready to open yourself and to truly listen for the first time. Love sincerely. Believe in God. Eat moderately and healthily. Care for your body and exercise. Learn new skills and acquire new knowledge. Sometimes you find yourself thinking, I don't know how, but I knew this. Feng Shui partners and family should eat together, the same food, in the same place. In the philosophy of Feng Shui, harmony within the home begins at the family table. Eating together is not merely a social custom, it is a sacred ritual that aligns the energy of partners and family members. When a household gathers to share the same food in the same place, their energies merge into a single, balanced flow of Kai. This practice strengthens unity, deepens emotional bonds, and creates an invisible shield of protection around the family. Feng Shui teaches that food carries not only nourishment for the body, but also symbolic nourishment for relationships and collective fortune. The act of eating together ensures that all members of the household are aligned with the same rhythm of life. It reduces conflict, invites mutual respect, and fosters an atmosphere where love and prosperity can flourish. Families who share their meals in one space generate a powerful harmony that radiates throughout the home, attracting health, abundance, and peace. In this way, Feng Shui reminds us that the dining table is more than furniture, it is the heart of the household. To eat together, the same food in the same place, is to honor tradition, strengthen relationships, and ensure that prosperity flows through generations. Thank you for following this channel. Thank you for your support. Be brave. Now, there is nothing hard you need to do. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. With your own hands, from kinetic sand, create a new, better world.